Welcome to TechieGiveaway channel. In this video, we are going to see we are going back to the JS series. So in between, I put one smoke vs sanity test. So if you are seeing this is the first video, please saw my last 3 videos also from start, installation of how to install Jest and how to set up simple test. Then we can see this one. Okay, let's move to the last script which we have written. So I think that's why I have told this much we have built from last 3 videos, and here we have added before all and after all test cases just to showcase like we have that capabilities also. Before each also we have, and before all also we have, so you can utilize that also. Okay, so describe and is the test suite, as well as like I have told you, test is the test cases. So here I have a API for get the page user, get all the user from page 1. So there is a pagination involved. So I think if you run it again, so it will trigger and it will show you a response like users from the, it is running actually all 4 test cases: get user, create new user, update the user, delete user. Okay, so this all 4 test cases we have like a build one by one from last 3 videos. Please look into that video if you are seeing this is the first time. Otherwise it will be confusion only. It is like that. Okay, so this API trigger page 1. So we have like 10 pages, right? So just think like 10 pages. This API may have 10 pages. So we need to test all 10 pages response is coming or not, something like that. So what we have to do here is like, maybe we have to write one for each or for loop, something like that. We have to write and loop it through one by one, maybe making this as a variable, so we can pass the value. So that is generic way, right? But with Jest we have inbuilt stuff, Jest dot each. Inside you can pass array, something like what I will do, something like I will pass 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that parameter here I am going to page. So that one I will just change it here as a variable. So there are small change required, because so I need to pass this value 1, 2, 3, taking in the like method as a parameter and passing it to a like as a parameter I am passing here. So it will take 1 and run, and then 2 it will run, and 3 it will run. Okay, let's see. Just running, and even test report also it will show 3 times. 3, yeah, page 3 you can see here. So page 3 there is no data. It's telling. Okay, page 2 we have, page 3, page 1, page 2 we have, page 3 it didn't show any data. Okay, so here get all user, something we got it right. Get all user, it's coming simply get all user from page. What I can do, I can just write like this. So it will show in the test case which page test case, like which page it is running. It will show on the test case itself, like the test name itself. Okay, otherwise it will be like kind of generic, why it is running same test case 3 times. We may ask that. Okay, so whatever value passing, that we will like, this is kind of a string formation only, nothing else. So we'll show it here also. So if you are running now you can see the difference, like the test different. It will be more readable actually. Okay, see, get all user from page 1, get all user from page 2, page 3, and then post with this we didn't do anything, just we are doing. So we can do for create user also. We can create multiple user, just create an array of username and password, just pass one by one. So that way we can do that also. Everything like we need to make it as a variable, then that variable we need to pass from the array. That's it. It will run multiple times. Okay, so there is some option. Instead of 1, 2, 3, we can, in JavaScript, right, we have a capability from array of something like I will give 5 dot keys. So this this will return actually 1 2 3 4 5. So indirectly, instead of mentioning odd coded, if you want from 1 it will start anyway, 1 2 3 4 5. If you want 9, you can give 9 also. Let me give 5 only. This is like kind of optimization, you can see. That's it. Simple. 1 2 3 4 5. This data we have only, so it passed 0 actually. So okay, what is that? This always start from 1 2 3 up to 5 we have given. So up to 4 it was running, like up to 4 till 5. Okay, fine. So when we are giving 5 up to 4, we are, see, it's running for 0 0. There won't be any data. 1 2 3 4. Okay. So this is how we can run. And for create user, if you guys are asking any value, even here also we can create some dot each array. Here we are passing this name, right? Instead of this name, maybe I will show this also. It will be like kind of like what for you guys also it will be easy how to change some other values. So in array we are like what will say, maybe this name I will do it. Okay, the same way done. I will just anyway remove. I just want to make it name. Okay, so this name I have to pass it here. Okay, but this formation is required, otherwise it won't run. Okay, this should be called as variable. Maybe it will run, and in the array I will put Dharma and Shiva, something like that. Okay, 2 names. Let it be job as a leader, no problem. Okay, so 1 2, it will take name and it will pass it here. But yeah, anyway, here no problem here that we are passing directly, right? Okay, now we have to see 2 test case also running. A user created, what is this? Post create new user name. I can just give it so that we'll get to know what user is getting created. So like this, we can create a like complete test case with one test case. For example, create user, like username, as well as like whatever is there, whatever body of content you are passing, that you can pass as a list. So 4 5 updated, it shows. Okay, maybe they did fetch. Okay, fine. Shit. Let's say why it is coming like this. If you want to see the response of this, better we can print console.log response.body. Okay, so that will get clarified what are all the user it has created. Like instead of put yes like string, I just by mistake maybe. So now it's get call, then it's created. Yeah, you can see here create user Dharma and Shiva. It was running twice, so you can see here new user Dharma, new user Shiva. Put and delete. So this is how we can make our test case more efficient, or like we can cover the positive case, negative case. Here there is a option you can like response code also you can make it like dynamic, something like create a array inside array. You can create inside array. That array, each array you can pass it for each time. Like here inside name only is there, right? Name and leader, something like that. Sorry, name and job. Instead of that, what I will put QA. create one more array. Name is Shiva and create div. So close the array. Okay. Now we are passing each array name as well as job, both. Okay. So this we can make it as job. So we are passing both. Also, we can pass the response code also, but that's not good practice. But if you want to like create valid, invalid, then like don't pass the username as like pass it empty, then null value. For that you can expect 4 not 4 or 400, something like that. You can write it. You can write it here also. Like otherwise you can call like write it somewhere else as a variable. You can call that list also here instead of getting confused about it. Okay, so now we are passing name and job. So here also we are just passing this. I'm not sure this both will call. That's fine. Let's. Okay, so running our test. So now we have what parameterized name as well as job. So in this like video we have seen like just like increasing the number as well as like changing. See, we got it actually. Dharma, QA, Shiva, Dev. Even here it was passing QA and Dev. So like that you can create as many as, just like you can move as a variable and we'll just write users. Okay, that users you can call it here. Okay. Here you can write again like as many as variable you want, something like ABC, XYZ. API anyway, it's dummy API, right? It accept. Okay, we have called. Just you can add how many data you want to test with this API and run it. So finally we are running once. So using that each test that test method, we are able to do this much. Like just by writing one test case, we can cover all the scenario. It is like not like you no need to run again and again, or you no need to write again and again, or writing a wrapper class or method. It's not required at all. Okay, see here we have 5 get call, get user for 5 pages and create user for valid and invalid, something like that, but it's dummy, so it takes. So if it is not dummy, it will test completely like everything. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Like if you have any doubt or facing any issue, like please put into comment.